Well, hello there and welcome back, you lovely lot. Today I've had a small delivery from CJP. I thought I would open that with you and we'll have a look and see what I've got. So, Gemma Porch from CJP put a notification on her Facebook page and said that they've got a new update to their website and they were going to test it. So they were going to give, for a small limited time, I know, look at me, I got in there, 20% off, but it was only for X amount of hours. It was only like for a few hours. I just happened to pop on at that time. So she basically paid for the VAT on my packages. So let's open them and see what I've got. So it was just a few colours. I'm not going to mess about. Let's just get in. So there's a few colours of CJP I don't have. So I don't have any neon shades. I've only got one red. And although I love it, it is fabulous. Vamp, my favourite red. I wanted a bright red as well, so I went on for Candy Apple. So they're the three bright colours. That's my Candy Apple. I wanted a gold and silver, so I looked for those. Cherry Bomb. Now that was because they didn't have another one that I wanted. It was out of stock. I got a couple of greens. Pineapple, that's an orange. A lilac. Baby G, I can't remember what that is. I think it's a pink. Hot paprika. And then baby blue. So let's swatch these and we'll see what we've got. Right, okay, so the first one I've got up is Baby G. It's a 10-gram pot. Like I said, I think this is like a baby sort of pink, but I can't remember. So there we have it, Baby G. So the next one we have is a Lilac Luster. I have seen this used in a few videos. Oh, that's got beautiful shimmering. Can you does the camera pick that up? I don't know. Let's have a look at this one. There we have it, Lilac Luster. Oh, that's it in the pot. Like I said, that has a shimmer in it, that's gorgeous. Next we have Baby Blue. Oh yeah, that's got beautiful shimmer in it as well. Very pretty. Let's swatch that. There we have it, Baby Blue. Can you see that shimmer? So pretty. Next we have Khaki. Now, I saw somebody do a set with this and I loved it. A lot of people are not going to actually like this. But honestly, I think it's going to go on my next set. Khaki. Can you see that shimmer in there? Super nice. Next we have Emerald City. Again, another green. love green. I know a lot of people don't. Emerald City. Next we have Candy Apple. This is why I went on the website, because I wanted a brighter red for Christmas. My personal favourite is Fam, but I thought we'd do some designs with these over the Christmas period. Candy Apple. Next we have Cherry Bomb. Cherry Bomb. That is a very delicate red. Okay, so next we have Hot Paprika. Isn't that pretty? Next we have Pineapple Fizz. Next one we have is Mango Tango. Vibrant Orange. So we have Barbie Girl. And I don't know if you've noticed, but when it's a design powder, it has the cap on. And when it isn't, and you don't need to cap it, there's nothing there. Very good. Right, Barbie Girl. Banana. 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 Bright yellow. Oh yeah. I know it's not the time of the year for these colours. Think ahead, guys. Think ahead. Let's get this baby on. Banana. And the last two we have is Metallic Gold and Metallic Silver. Again, they should be able to paint these on. Very thick. Very pigmented, very thick. Metallic gold. And the last one today is metallic silver. Again, got a little cap on there. It tells me it's design and I need to cap it. Wow. Guys, I was not expecting that. Oh my word. Wow. Okay. That is, oh wow. How gorgeous is that for a silver? I was not expecting that. Oh, look at that. It really is like liquid silver, isn't it? I mean, seriously. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Just, I mean, oh. This could very easily contaminate my monomer. I can see it in my brush. I'm just quickly cleaning that, but oosh. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Christmas in a pot, baby. Look at that. Oh, guys, if you haven't got this, you don't buy any other colour. Metallic silver. Oh, wow. I'll be getting that out again. So there you have it, guys. This is all the colours that were swatched for today. These are all from CJP. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in today. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, I would love it if you would. Until next time, bye.